Hey everybody. I recently got a package from a buddy of mine named Kevin Robinson. He has a YouTube channel, Kevin Robinson 6688. I'm sure most of you guys have already seen a lot of his videos. But I did a little unboxing video clip. Kind of messed up a little bit, cut my head off. Well, you can see for yourself. Hey everybody. I thought I'd do something a little bit different, do a box opening. I have a package that was sent to me by Kevin Robinson, and I already know what's in this, but let's go ahead and open it up. And I haven't seen it yet because I haven't opened the box. I did cut it open, but I haven't removed any of the contents yet. So let's see what we got here. This is very well packed, by the way. All right, get my trusty pocket knife. Kevin warned me that this was going to be packed really well, so it might be a little tough getting it open. Alright, check that out. That is a DIY shelf rack that's made out of an old gear. And that is really cool. So Kevin has told me that my job now is to build some shelves out of some of my old scrap lumber. And I can use this and put it up in my my new shop. I'm thinking about converting my shed that's in my backyard into a shop. We'll see what happens with that, but this is really cool and I really appreciate this. This is an awesome job. Or I could use them as bookends. Alright, I just wanted to open this up in front of you guys and maybe introduce an upcoming project. We'll see when I have an opportunity to start working on these shelves, but that's really cool. And he told me that these are just primered, so I'll need to paint them, and I can paint them, whatever color that I need. So yeah, he's got them all pre-drilled, ready to be installed. That's awesome. Alright, thanks guys, we'll talk to you later. Alright guys, I just watched that video back and my whole head was cut off, so I thought I'd put a little section here at the end so you can see me. So once again, here's a nice look at these gear shelving brackets, and these are going to look really nice when I get these done. And Kevin has a set of these too that he's going to be building some shelves too, and I guess we'll compare notes when we're done. But once again, shout out to Kevin. I'm in the middle of watching a video of his right now, in fact. But let me go ahead and close this and save him from a tiny house. Talk to you guys later. Thanks. All right, here's a little bit of that video I was watching at Kevin's.
How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to share with you guys a new product that I just picked up. Is the brushless DeWalt drill and impact set. This set came with 2 batteries, the drill, the impact, a charger, and a carrying case. And the carrying case is great for keeping things organized and in one spot. So I will give you guys just a little close-up of the drill and impact that I chose, which I think is going to be a great addition to my shop.
Alright guys, if you want to watch the rest of that video, head on over to Kevin's channel. I've seen it. It's a pretty good one. Alright, talk to you later.
Thanks for watching.